In this problem, we're given the function f, and f of x is equal to x cubed minus 1 plus 5 sine of x squared. Use a calculator to find all values of x on the interval 0 to 2 such that the line tangent to the graph of f has a slope equal to 6. We can start off by finding our derivative. F prime of x is equal to 3x squared plus 5 times 2x, the inner derivative in our chain rule, times the outer portion cosine of x squared. I'm going to go ahead and set this equal to 6. This is our slope equation, so set the slope to the value we're looking for, right? Slope equal to 6. So that's equal to, 6 is equal to 3x squared plus 10x cosine x squared. I'm going to move 6 to the other side, so I get 3x squared plus 10x cosine x squared minus 6. This right here, this is going to be your transformed function that determines the values where the slope is equal to 6 for our tangent line question. So what you want to do is take this function, 3x squared plus 10x cosine x squared minus 6. Make sure that you have a multiplication symbol right here in your calculator. Find the zeros of this function. This is going to be the answers you're looking for, and you're going to want to find them within the interval 0 to 2. So as an example, I'll show you what we're looking for in Desmos. And then you're going to have to go ahead and expand on this idea to actually find the values. So here's our parent function, right? So somewhere in our 0 to 2 interval, the slope is going to be equal to 6. I can't really determine that from what we see here, but what we can go ahead and do is plot its transformed derivative, right? This is the derivative minus 6. And what you find with this is we have two particular points here that seem to line up with what we're looking for, right? There are many zeros of this function, but I only care about the zeros, right, in between 0 and 2. So I'm showing you there's all of these zeros. We can ignore all of them because we're on the interval 0 to 2. Right, there's this 0 here, but it's just slightly above 2. I only care about these two. And as a way to double check ourselves here, I went ahead and plotted the derivative of f of x, and then I set it equal to 6. So we're looking at a particular point here, and when I plot that, you see that they intersect with our previous values, right? These two zeros. So I've checked and then double checked in Desmos specifically to see that these are going to be my zeros of the function, but they are the points at which my function has a slope equal to 6. So what you want to go ahead and do, plug this into your calculator, find the zeros, right? Plug this function into the calculator, find the zeros, and then choose the values that are between 0 and 2.